to paradise.
Guys, we're going camping. Wiz. We're going to Blue Mountain. That's Saskia there. Our PRO. We are waiting on our drive.
I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Funny for your fucking
Hi guys.
too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up on the stairs. Are you sleeping 'cause you're ready?
Camping or just for the day?
Camping.
Are you gonna pay already?
Yeah. You want like the code or something?
The name.
Patrice Walker.
Come in, Shane, come in.
We're here. We're waiting on Shane. Shane should be here, but Shane is not here. Hello, Shane. Oh, that's
So I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. 8 p.m.
so adventurous, Saskia. Woo!
We're fucking there. Too early for your fucking nails. Choose to wear, so I bought you another.
Hey guys, you know see a Patrick I talk to me now. I'm up on the campsite to play 2 games, you see me, but you know bad man not play games.
Where you get the things then?
So what do you just a chill on the whole of us, you see me?
There and then you get here.
We are getting our mattress. But then we need to sleep on.
Shane is here.
Shane is. I'm gonna show you guys the process on the food that I have been cooking.
So we know the YouTuber.
So this is our rice, and then
Anything Patrice post and you go some.
this is our meat cooking and simmering. And dinner will be served around 5 o'clock.
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now.
Good morning. It's the dollar day. It's another day. Another dollar. I'm getting ready to go like brush my teeth and bed. They're still sleeping. Unfortunately. But yeah.
This is our prayer tonight, Jesus.
Holding me closer than you
Y'all get up and come on, let's go hike. It is now 8:52. For real? How long will it take the hike?
1 hour.
I want to come back.
20 bucks. That is not one hour, sister.
Fair
No,
enough.
that's nice to do anything, so go walk more less than average time. Okay.
Is that the waterfall?
I don't know which one it say. But it's a make it.
I don't know where we're going.
Make one. That trail there.
As you walk, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home.
I mean, I love that word. That word. I'm going to change up the word. And the inclinity of the hill.
Me think I want big waterfall.
40 minutes later.
I'm so anxious, guys. So go back up and I'm dying. This is me after like shot my almost dead.
What I do, I be coming home back to you.